This screener will show a quick, fun way to allow learners to explore a process, learning objectives, or anything else you can think of. First, let's preview it. I've created a quick mock-up of a few images, and when we hover over them, text appears. This is a great way to clean up slides and make sure they're not text-heavy. I could see this being used in a process where you have an image of each step of the process, and when you hover over the step, details appear. In this example, it could possibly be an intro to a communications course, so this would be a learning objective. This is super easy to do. Let's take a look at it. I created this using Storyline, but you could use rollover effects and other e-learning software, like Captivate. All right, so on this slide, I've got 6 images, and we're going to create a layer for each image. So let's go ahead and just add 6 layers. And there they are. All right, so then what we're going to do is we're going to add the text that we want to appear on each layer. So let me go ahead and add some text in so you can kind of see I've got a little box with some text for layer 1. And I'm going to go ahead and add animation, a fade in effect. You could use other effects, or you could have no animation at all, but having animation just makes it a little bit more seamless when they roll over, not as harsh. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some text to all of these layers, the text that we want to appear over each image. Layer 4. All right. You can see how super quick this could be. All right, so we have our text on every one of these layers, and just making sure, I'm going to go back through and make sure I've got my animation. All right. Okay, so we have animation on all of our layers and the text. The very last thing that we're going to do on our main slide is we're going to add a trigger that says show this layer when the user hovers over this image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first image, and we're going to add a trigger. We've already got the action is show layer, and it's going to be layer 1 when the user hovers over that shape, because it's already selected. And then we just do that for all of them. So the same thing. Show the layer 2 when the mouse is hovered over. And 3. This is the third one when the mouse is hovered over. And then our 4th image when the mouse is hovered over. 5. 5th layer when the mouse is hovered over, and finally our 6th image. Show layer 6 when the mouse is hovered over. All right, so let's go ahead and preview it. And same thing as we saw in the beginning. So you would have the text say whatever you would actually want it to say there. I hope this sparks an idea for you, and I bet you can create some engaging content with this idea. This screener was presented by Learning Reinvented. Make it a great day.